Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of activating Superpeer video call monetization, allowing you to charge for live access to your online sessions. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get started. Step 1. Sign up for Superpeer. To begin, visit the Superpeer website and sign up for an account. Make sure to provide all the necessary information, including your email address and password. After registering, verify your email to activate your account. Step 2. Set up your profile. Once logged in, navigate to your profile settings. Complete your profile by adding a profile picture, bio, and relevant links. A well-structured profile helps potential clients understand your expertise and encourages them to book a session with you. Step 3. Define your services. In the dashboard, locate the section to set up your services. Here, you can define the type of video calls you'll offer, choose a specific niche or topic you are passionate about, and outline what participants can expect from your sessions. Step 4. Set pricing. Next, establish your pricing structure. Decide how much you want to charge per session and whether you'll offer any packages or discounts for multiple bookings. Ensure your pricing reflects the value of the knowledge and expertise you provide. Step 5. Configure availability. Set your availability by choosing the days and times you are willing to conduct video calls. This information will be crucial for potential clients when they try to book a session. Make sure to keep your calendar updated to avoid double bookings. Step 6. Enable payment options. To monetize your video calls, you need to connect your account to a payment processor. Follow Superpeer's instructions to link your Stripe, PayPal, or any other supported payment method. Ensure you set up everything correctly to receive payments seamlessly. Step 7. Promote your sessions. With everything ready, it's time to promote your video calls. Share the link to your Superpeer page on your social media channels, email newsletter, or any other platform where your audience is active. Consider creating engaging content that highlights the value of your sessions. Step 8. Engage with your clients. Once you start getting bookings, remember to engage with your clients both before and after the sessions. Provide reminders about the call, share any pre-meeting materials, and follow up afterward to gather feedback and build lasting relationships. Step 9. Analyze and optimize. After you've conducted several sessions, take the time to analyze your performance. Look at customer feedback, session duration, and payment statistics. Use this data to optimize your services and improve the overall experience for your clients. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial.